Welcome everyone. In order to set and remove clan in Black Ops 2, first of all, let's just head to the home screen of the multiplayer. And then I want you to look for and click on the barracks. And setting the clan tag is very easy, but removing it is a little more complicated. So if I just click the X button, we have the clan name option and you have a 4-character limit. So if I just type this and then click on the R2, it's now set. But if I want to remove the clan tag, check this out. So I've just removed all the text, and then after clicking on done, so I click on done here, it's not removing the clan tag. So if you want to remove the clan tag, useful for in the future, just click on the clan, remove everything here. But what we need to do is an extra step, which is we just need to add a hyphen. So our clan tag should just be a hyphen, and then when I click on done, you can see it's removed everything entirely. The clan name is completely gone. That's it. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.